I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, cause I can fly. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed.
Welcome back to my channel. This is Ria here. How are you all? I'm good, and I wanted to thank you first of all for the love and support you're showing me in my last video, and I'm so blessed to share with you all these beautiful little small budget ideas that I have with me, and I'm helping you out to decorate your room or your home. And this is really making me so much happy and even more stronger and even more enthusiastic for making more videos like so. And also I'm so much happy today to share with you my Poila Boishakh makeup look. And this is a very simple and very elegant but very stylish and glamorous look. Again, you can attain it with very less products like I always usually show. I am not an expert in makeup, but I can help you out in doing makeup in a very quick and easy way, like with all the day-to-day items that we have in our home lying here and there. With that only you can create this easy, simple Bengali Poila Boishakh look. I wore a saree. And this is a tat saree. This is a very soft tat saree, and the color is in bottle green. Here, there is a temple ward. Also do. so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Tab tak, bye. Keep decorating and keep doing makeup.